Hello everyone, welcome you all for the next lecture of the course Selenium with Java. This is the last module of the course, module number 5, lecture number 36. We are just at ending, okay? So we are learning Selenium TestNg framework. So in the previous lecture, we have learned the TestNg framework, installation, its introduction. And in this next lecture, we have learned the annotations, how to use annotation, TestNg. In the Selenium. So we have done one program to see the TestNg framework annotations. Okay. Today we will learn the concept of assertion. Today we will learn the concept of assertion. Okay. So outline is means simply we are learning TestNg assertion. What do you mean by assertion? What do you mean by assertion? Assertion is always used to compare actual result with expected result. Assertion is always used to compare actual result with expected result. Why we do the testing? What do you mean by testing? Testing is for finding the difference between actual output and the expected output. Defect, what is the defect in testing? Testing is the difference between the actual result and the expected result. So same here in TestNg, the assertion concept is for comparing actual result with expected result. So what is syntax? Syntax is assert dot method. And here actual comma expected. Again see what is syntax? Syntax is assert then dot method. In method, first parameter is actual parameter and second parameter is expected parameter. This is the example. Okay. Here we are just using assertion for title matching. We are just using assertion for title matching. We are here again launching the website open source HRL. We are here launching the browser open source HRL. And I have already told you it's a free open source software and this is software basically for the practice purpose. Anyone can have access on it. Okay, username and password is already mentioned on the URL itself. So mostly I have used this URL. Okay, so let's start. See, package, import this public class, assertion, public void here. First, we have to mention the property of driver. I think it should be by heart now because from module 3, we are continuously using this. Okay, for launching any URL. Because for doing any testing on the website, first we have to launch the website. So these 4-5 lines are common. The system.set property, property of driver, webdriver.chrome driver, then location of Chrome driver exe file. For my system, it's a C drive, Selenium folder, L2 drive folder, and Chrome driver.exe. Okay. Here I have not mentioned Chrome options because I have done this programming when the version of Chrome was 108. In the 108, it was simply running this script. But one version, 111, was there. Now current version 113 or 114. But when version 111 was there, then this program was not working. Means Chrome driver was working, but it was not opening the actual URL. So then Chrome options comes as the solution for that problem. So, but I have not added here, but when I do program, I have to add them. That command also. Okay, so that is not mentioned over here. Then wd.get URL. And you paste the URL over here. Okay. Now I want to compare the title. Okay. So mention expected title. String, it's a type. String, we should define which type here because there can be integer, string, or floating number and all. So mention it's a string. String expected title, and here we have to type expected one. Means here I want orange HRM is my expected title. Okay. Now string actual title, WD. Actual title we will get from the website. Expected title we will type over here, but actual title we will get from the website wd.getTitle. Here, assertion is for comparison. So assert dot assert equal is assert, that is what syntax. What was syntax? Assert dot method, that is assert equals inside first parameter actual title, second parameter expected title. And if you want actual title on display also, then CSO command, you will get the actual title. See, if this assert will pass, when this title will match. Otherwise, result will be failed. Okay. So now let's do a practical in the Eclipse. See, this is the output. Okay. Actual title is RAHRM because I have mentioned over here. See, so our command is there. Actual title is plus actual title. Now condition is failed because if actual title is RAHRM, and here also I have given orange channel. Maybe I have taken a screenshot out when the result was failed because it's showing as fast as F. Okay. Now let's start in the Eclipse. So I'm coming out from the PPT mode. Let's start the Eclipse. Okay. So your package TestNg package. Right click and scroll down. Comes to TestNg, create TestNg class. Okay, create TestNg class. I'm giving class name. What I'm doing? Assertion. So TestNg Assertion example. Okay, finish. I've created a new class with name TestNg Assertion class. This is my test, and this is my public void function. So I will write here a public void function. Okay. So what I have to write? System dot set property the driver. Sorry, driver dot driver. The location of driver, I'll take from the next program. I'll take this first step. I'll take the whole program from here. It will be very easy to copy paste here. Okay. See, here I have take from option. That will not work. What it's saying? Okay, I'll check. Wait a minute. Chrome options, import option is not there. Okay. Chrome driver is not there. Web driver is not there. Since I have this particular. Okay. Then first I'll copy again and TestNg Assertion. Import option is not there because we have to import Chrome option. We have to import web driver, but import option is not there. That is the issue with this. Wait, plus web driver, web driver. Let me give some seconds and find this. If that option is not coming, that means there is always a problem of library. So what I have done, I have just click on this system library, build path, configure build path. In configure build path, I just select this class path and add external jar. Here I have added the Selenium server file. Okay, that was not there. That's why it was showing the error. Okay, so if you are not getting the output, just make sure that library you have already added the library. Okay, so Selenium jar file was missing. That's why the error was showing. Okay, now launch the site wd dot get URL. URL I have take this URL. I can take from over here. RM HRM application. Okay. After this, I want to manage wd dot manage dot what I want to manage window dot select window dot maximize. Okay. Now I want this. What I want is I want to compare the output. What output? Expected title or actual title. I want to compare expected title or actual title. So first mention the expected title. Expected title equals to, I'm just expecting it's orange HRM. Expected title, then write the actual title. Actual title equals to, that we'll get from the URL. So www dot get title. Okay. Now, error is defining the type. Expected cannot be type. So type mentioned is string. Okay, here also mentioned string. Now what happens? Syntax error. Insert to complete declaration. Here I will have to insert. Foreign insert. Get title here also insert. I guess there should be no space over here. That's why. Okay. So we have mentioned expected title. According to us, expected title orange RM and actual title will get from the URL. Now we are going to compare. For compare, we are using command assert. Assert dot. Assert equals. Okay, actual expected. So actual will get, will write here actual title. Title will write here expected title. Expected title and semicolon. It will compare now something I want on the console also. Will write CISO command. Type CISO control space bar. Here we'll write the actual title is then here actual title is whatever we are getting from the websites. So we're getting from the website how this. Either I'll write w.get title, otherwise I'm writing this simple actual title because this variable definition is we are getting from the URL only. Okay, done. Now run this command. So site is opening, application opening. Okay. See, the title is orange HRM. Here, the title is orange HRM. Now see what I'm getting at console. Expand this console. See, total test 1 because we have done the one program only. Pass 0, failure 1. Oh, what is the failure issues? Fail. Orange HRM. Expected title was orange HRM and the actual title orange HRM. Means there was no space to be there. So if I'll remove this space. So this test will pass. Now let's see, again run this. Or HR application is opening. Okay. Now come to the console. Now test passes. The actual title is or in HR. Now test passes. Now there was no passes, it is not giving any information. Okay, simple. It's actual title is or HR because we have written here actual title. Okay. So now this is passed. There is no failure. Got it? In this way, we have learned the program of assertion. How to apply assertion. Remember, when we will do any program, if there is any issue with import, okay, and logically there is no error, just remember there can be issue of library. So check the system library and go to build path and configure path and just add all the external jars. All the external jars in the libraries. Go and see, I have added these external jars. So just add all the jar files. Then there will be no issues. Okay. So thank you so much.